Good morning. I see a couple of names. Hey, Ashutosh, Carolyn, Sankara, Shiv, Sudeshna. Hi, everyone. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's Som this side from 100x Learners. So, thanks a lot for joining. Hi, Sudeshna. Good morning. So, we will give a few more minutes, maybe 2, 3 more minutes, because we have more participants joining. Hey, Shankara. Good morning. So we'll get started on our session of AI prompt engineering masterclass, maybe in 2 minutes because yeah, so see more people are joining. So let's give them a minute more and we can get started. Stay tuned, guys. All right. Hi everyone. I we have more people. They have joined us. Hi Varun. Hi Shiv. Hi Sajid. Hi Keshav. Hi everyone. So we'll get ourselves started now because it's already 10 past 7 minutes, and I think we will now start and let's the other people join if as and when they are joining. So again, hi everyone, each and everyone who have joined the session of 100x Learners. Myself Som, and I am a trainer at 100x Learners. I'll start sharing my screen. We have several case studies to present today, and also we are trying to kind of give you the best understanding of uh, uh, Gen AI so that you feel more and more confident while using it further. Let me know if my screen is not visible. I'll also introduce myself, and quickly I'll also introduce our 100x learners so that you have a better idea. So we are 100x learners. You can, if you go Google and type 100xlearners.com, or even if you just go and write 100x learners, you will get to see our Google business page. So we'll go 100x learners. And we are from Bangalore. We are based out in Bangalore, but we operate remotely, and anyone from anywhere can actually take up sessions on digital marketing and similar line of topics on 100x learners. We are quite well rated institution, and we have a good array of students and alumni who are working out there in the corporate getting placements from 100x learners. This is our website, and if you are interested to know more, then you can definitely go to our website, and you will get to know about some of our very prominent uh, courses that we have out there. Uh, we are also on LinkedIn. So if you are interested or you are active on LinkedIn, which you should be as a marketer, you can also follow us on LinkedIn. Now about myself. So myself, Somen, I am calling from Bangalore, and I work at 100x Learners as a trainer. This is my LinkedIn profile. You can also follow me or connect with me if you are interested. I have good experience in digital marketing. I have been in this field for close to 2015. Since today, I have been into this field, and I have good experience with EdTech and almost all the digital marketing verticals. I do training, and besides training, I also work as a marketing manager at corporate. One of the renowned organizations. I work as a marketing manager, and training is something that I do out of passion because I enjoy training. The idea here is you can feel free to ask me any questions that you may have pertaining to digital marketing or the kind of courses that we provide at 100x Learners. Uh, Moving on with the chapter that we are focusing on today is Gen AI, which I think most of you might have heard about. Gen AI or generative AI as a very a vibrant topic since last, I would say, last 2 to 3 years, and it's still hot in the market. And as much as I understand, it's going to be this way for at least upcoming 5 years. So this is, or even more, like for a decade maybe. So this is kind of a good time for all of you to pick up with this, and use it at your day-to-day task of digital marketing, or if you even belong to any other field like programming or sales or ATL or BTL sort of marketing or any other form of a profession. While talking about Gen AI, we will discuss one tool in detail in this class, and that is, of course, a very a popular one, that is ChatGPT. But as we discuss the use cases of ChatGPT, specifically pertaining to digital marketing arena, we will also see a few more tools that are kind of a competitor of ChatGPT, and nothing. They are good, and you can kind of choose your pick your choice, and you can use one of them. So for Gen AI, you must have heard about ChatGPT if you are on Instagram or you are on LinkedIn. And getting started with ChatGPT as a marketer or as a user is very easy. It's not complicated. All you've got to do is go to ChatGPT, write ChatGPT, go to Google, write ChatGPT on the search engine or your Chrome, and this link you see here, that is chatgpt.com. You can just tap onto that, and you see that I have a login, and here is my dashboard. This is basically my history of using GPT. I have been using it since the time I gotten introduced to it, since the time it was viral and it was kind of getting hyped on LinkedIn. I'm like since the initial time, but you may not be seeing this screen if you are at all using it for the very first time. You would be seeing something like this. So I'll go to incognito and I'll write chat GPT. I hope my incognito screen is visible, guys. Let me just cross check quickly. Yep. So, all right. So you would see something like this, right? You would see ChatGPT 4.0 a mini, and here it would be a login. Here it would be a sign up, right? So all you need to do is you need to sign up. But even if you don't sign up, you can still get started with ChatGPT or any of these AI models. See, it has started giving you responses. It has started responding. There is a sign up. Why you need to sign up is once you sign up, now you see my dashboard or anyone's dashboard who has been using it. See, there is a history of it. Now, I have been using it like quite judiciously for, pretty long time. And you see, these are all history. Like I use it as I work at 100x Learners and a couple of my other occupancies. And those I have named over here, right? I can just close this bar and I can just open this bar or a drawer, as you say, and you see it will be very functional. I'll go back to that incognito mode just to show to the absolute newbies who are probably today getting started. So all you need to do is click on sign up, and you can just move on with this Google, continue with Google. You can also use with Microsoft account or an Apple account. I mean, anything that you are comfortable with. Just click on this, and you don't need any computer specification to use it. Even if you are not on, I mean, however, today's session is really for marketeers, and I mean, quite loaded marketeers. I am going to present a couple of good case studies, but and use cases. But even if you don't have a PC, I mean, I doubt it, but still, I'm just for a benefit of doubt. Even if you don't have a PC, right? Just write ChatGPT app, and you see this is Android app. If you are not using an Android, you are an iOS user, then you simply type iOS, and yeah, you know the drill, right? You just move on, and you straight up download it. Here you can see install for iOS. If you open from an iOS drive, you will be able to install it on your system. So you can also install it on your phone and get started using it. And while you use it on your phone, the dynamics is going to be same that we're using it on the computer. A bit of a difference you will get, like you can do a better voice chat and all. Although it's not for a good computer. Like if you're using a good, let's say Lenovo system or a Galaxy system or a MacBook or something, there is no challenge for a microphone. But if you are using a very old system, like a 10-year-old system or so, then yeah, you may face a bit of a challenge to use these sort of features. See, a chat in voice mode. ये जो कुछ features है इस पे laptop पे maybe you will feel some sort of challenges. Otherwise, there won't be any challenges on your desktop or your mobile. So here is a sign in, right? Simply put your email ID. You can see I have a couple of email IDs logged in. So you simply put your email ID, move on, and sign in. So I already have an account. I don't sign in, but I'll just go back and I will log in, right? Login remains same. So you can see I have been logged in from this account, and I can just click on ChatGPT, and it would open a new window for me. And at the same point of time, if I'll just try showing you some sort of, so let's say I click on any of my history, right? So this is a history of another task that I am doing. So it would be loaded, and what and all I have done a chat on this, it will come up, right? I will again click on ChatGPT, and it will load a new window, and that's a fresh start. Let's explore this tool, but even before that, let's see the alternatives, right? So this is Gen AI. Okay, this is Gen AI. Gen is generative. Generative AI is basically, so just to explain you better. So as the name suggests, right? Gen is generative. So it's less of it's less of giving you suggestions. It's less of giving you recommendations. It is less of giving you opinions, but it is more of giving you more of generating content, right? While you generate content, yeah, you can of course use it for suggestions and recommendations. I'll show you that, but it is best used to generate content. For an example, AI. So remember, it is used for, it's best used for generating content. So here you can generate content, and what sort of content you can generate? I'm talking specifically about Gen AI, that is text based at this point of time, right? So it is about content, and that is text content, right? It is about text content. So you get yourself started with text content, but is there no option to getting started with video or images? There is absolutely there, and we'll talk about it at the later part of the session. So this is ChatGPT. Now it's not the only tool out there. There are other options like Gemini. Okay, Gemini is a Google product. It's not an OpenAI product. So you have heard of ChatGPT, and this is a product of OpenAI as a corporation. They have this product as ChatGPT. Gemini is a Google product. The dynamic of using Gemini is absolutely same. There is no catch. There is no change. As much as same way you use ChatGPT, you use Gemini. Just that you should know the name of the tools. There is something called Cloud. Okay, Cloud AI. Same again, the same thing. Yes, you have to log in with both. You see, I have an account logged in here. By the way, these are free. You are not necessarily need to have a paid account, but if you wish to, you can absolutely have a paid account. So I'll just also log into Cloud. So this is Cloud, and Cloud AI has its own capabilities, but again, more or less, it's like with it is like GPT. Again, see, this is again a chat window. This is also a chat. This is also a chat. Then there is another one that is called a Copilot, and this is from Microsoft. This is not from Cloud or not from OpenAI or from this your Google. This is from Microsoft. So this is again very interesting tool, and all of these are generative AI, right? Now these all that I talked to you about, these are not only generative AI, guys. These are also conversational AI, right? So when you work on generating text, right? You kind of talk to this guy that is ChatGPT, I mean, or that is Gemini or a Cloud or a Copilot. So it's more of a conversational AI. So we'll just go to this window and I'll just write hello. See, the revert would be hello, how can I help you today? Or something on the similar line. See, how can I help you today? Now you can start discussing things here, and there, that is when it gets interesting. And we see it as a recommendation point of view or a suggestion point of view that what GPT is telling, but that is again generative content. I'll explain it at the later part for your clarity, like what is this capable of. So I'll just write I am, and this is very simple. This one is nothing related to digital marketing yet. So I am not feeling well today. Right now, see the next revert. So I'm sorry to hear that you are not feeling well. If you feel like talking about it, or if it's anything I can do to support you, I'm here to help you. Remember to take it easy and rest if you need to. So what is that we are doing here? It's more of a conversation, right? You are talking to this model, and you are it can even act like a buddy to you. For an example, I'll say, talk to me like a buddy and make me laugh. See, now this will try to make you laugh, provide given you jokes. So here it has written jokes, right? So this is where it gets interesting. But again, it is a generative content. It just took an so that to talk in detail would be like it just took an it understood like what it needs to be a buddy and how can it make you laugh. And the moment you have written "make me laugh," it understands that it needs to crack some jokes, right? It is a bit more than that. We'll talk about it. But again, this is more of a conversational model, and I won't demonstrate all of them, but I would leave it to you. You do it with Gemini, ChatGPT, Cloud, and this model that is Copilot. However, Copilot and ChatGPT is under the same model, but you would see similar line of responses, not exactly same, but similar line of responses. Now, as a digital marketer, you need to, or I would say you can use ChatGPT or any of these AI models. This one is text, and you don't stop at text. You go on and you use tools like Midjourney, and this is on the model of image, text to image. So right now, just right now, we were talking about text to text, right? So prompt, that itself is a text, prompt text, and converts to text, right? Or rather convert, I would say output is text, right? Whereas there are models where it is text. So just a sec. So where it is text to, it converts to image. And do we stop here? No, we go with video. And do we stop here? No, we can do more such as memes, GIFs, etc. So the it is actually the limit is the sky is the limit. Okay, with Gen AI. right? Again, when I say all of this, I mean here Gen AI, right? Generative AI. So the sky is the limit. You can generate images, videos, memes, and GIFs. Now, you are working, let's say, at a corporate. Most often, you won't be needing to use so much, right? आपको Gen AI use करना पड़ेगा, absolutely आपको use करना पड़ेगा. आप देख सकते हो, मैं खुद use कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. And my team is using, everyone is using, my founder is using, CEOs are, everyone is using. That's like using google.com today. But you may not be needing to use text to image, text to video, क्योंकि उसके लिए graphic के team होंगे, and they will do it. You may, as a manager, you may suggest it, but you would use it maybe sometime, but you would use it at a directive level, not at a hands-on or a executive level. But if you are a self-employed person, right, whereas you are freelancing, now we'll just go to Google for a while and we'll write graphic designing, or rather graphic, let's say, graphic designing, yeah, we'll write brochure creation, jobs, Upwork or freelance. Upwork or freelance. Now see, I have opened brochure design jobs, and there are a couple of, ये Upwork से पूरा ये flyer brochure का पूरा आ रहा है यहाँ पे categories. इसको Upwork को हटा दो, बस freelance लिखो. Now take a look. काफी सारे sites है ना यहाँ पे, अभी बहुत सारे आ गए हैं. Now there, if you are an independent digital marketer, not only like you are doing only digital marketing, but you are per se in any vertical, right? Let's say you are in any vertical of digital. Let's say you are into graphics, right? Or rather, it's the fast. I will I'll write on my Word doc. So I'll just open my Word, and we'll see the use cases of each of them as a self-independent or a self-employed person. So let's say not only in digital, not only into one vertical of digital marketing, you are into graphics, or you are into SEO, or into email marketing, Google Ads, और any rather Google Ads, जिसको डिजिटल एड्स लिखते हैं या तो एड्स लिखते हैं, तो इस पे आ जाएगा सोशल, आ जाएगा जैसे इंस्टाग्राम हो गया एंड यूट्यूब हो गया, और फेसबुक एंड लिंक्डइन आ गया. उसके बाद सर्चेस आ जाएंगे, सर्च इंजन्स जैसे कि गूगल एड्स हो गया और बिंग एंड ऑल, यू नो. Then you are so graphics, SEO, email, and lead generation. So like I work one of my primary tasks is to generate leads and convert, and like so there are a couple of things, and then lead generation plays a huge role as well. So in सब पे भी ना you are able to use Gen AI, but in सब पे if you are independently working, let's say as a graphic designer you are independently working. So ये जो projects हैं, there are many projects as a graphic designer or a brochure designer, right? You see, with any of these, you may need to use Gen AI, right? How do you need to use? You go to Midjourney, right? You log into Midjourney, or you go to Microsoft Designer, and you log into Microsoft Designer, and you can convert text to images, right? Why would you do that? Will that make a brochure? The answer is no. That will not make a complete brochure. You have to eventually go to Canva and copy paste this design. But this will kind of help you out to get the very unique designs, very unique images, rather designs, very unique images, right? See, and if you just hover over on these, यहाँ पे आप prompt लिख सकते हैं, if you just hover over on these, यहाँ पे आप prompt लिख सकते हैं. I'll do that. I'll show you. But if you hover over on any provided, right? So a digital collage of a female. So all of this guitarist and organic paper shape, सब कुछ यहाँ पे डाला हुआ है, and this is the image. This is the output. Rather, this is an output of AI. Beautiful output. Now you copying it to the brochure, necessarily it is required there that you are creating for your client as a freelancer or as a digital marketing freelancer, that eventually gives you a unique impression. That, let's say, the work that uh, if you are Amil, let's say the work that Amil does, yeah, it's really speaks volume, right? Now, going after these text based, there are video based, right? That is Sora. Now, these are all paid, okay? I would like to give you a heads up here. Just listen to this कि ये जितने भी platform है ना, ये paid है सारे. I can sign in and I will show you my coins, how many coins I have. have left. But ये सब free नहीं है ना, 100% free नहीं है, एक हद तक free है, like 5 images and all you have free. Sora and all is fully paid. Okay. Then there are many. Sora, what Sora does is it is a video based. It will load. It's still loading. It's a video based Gen AI, right? It's a text to video, and there are similar line of tools such as in video, right? In video is there. So in video itself is another text to video, where you figure out how you are converting. You are just providing a prompt of text. I'll also show you creating this right now. ये फ्री है, लेकिन इसका वाटरमार्क आ Am I audible, guys, now? Yeah, thanks, Akhil, for letting me know. Is it audible now? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, sorry, my bad. I think there was some network outage. Just ping me, guys, if you are unable to see, because with this platform we are using, I don't get the prompt, so I have to circle back to the screen. So sorry for that. Yeah, screen I'm sharing. Thanks a lot, Saket, for the heads up. So, guys, let me know. You can just ping me here, here, just for letting me know if I am not audible, because we are doing it remote. So some minor challenges can be there. All right, so I think my screen is coming. Yeah, so you see, so it's a platform where you are able to kind of now. Pratiksha, can you hear me? I'm also sharing my screen. Sorry for the issue, guys. Thanks, Pratiksha, for letting me know. All right, so I was talking about now moving on and exploring each and every of these items. So let's get started with GPT as a text to a text model, like prompt to text. So I will use it one for each of these verticals. Let's get started, not with graphics, because that's itself is a very big field. We'll do graphics though. We'll get started the first one with ads, right? Because I think most of you are willing to do digital marketing. So as digital marketing, you would probably need to do a ton of ads. Now, I'll first show you some examples, and then I'll show you some requirements. Then I will move to the AI. So let's write 100x learners, 100x learners, digital marketing. Now 100x learners, digital marketing, go to images. Yes, can you see this? Let's go to this one. Take a look. We have provided, I mean, we create content. We are not aggressively creating content, but we often we create content on Instagram and different other social. See, this is a carousel, 5 best practices for collaborating with influencers by 100x learners. Let's see some other items. How to build strong digital presence, right? This is another content. It's not HD, but on the social, it must be on HD. There is another one to stand out in today's competitive job market. And we have highlighted a couple of points. Now let's go back, see some other examples. Just write 100x learner digital marketing ad. I'll show you not only 100x learners, a few more edtech. So see, there are a couple of ads coming up, right? Right. More ads coming up from different other institutions, right? How now, while you create these ads, I'm not sure if you have done any 100x learner sessions. Like we train on Canva, right? Canva being a very developed platform, we train 2 days or 2 to 3 days kind of on Canva, right? बनाते तो कैनवा पे है ये, लेकिन ये जो टेक्स्ट है, राइट, लर्न ऑल द स्किल यू नीड to become a master of social media marketing, SEO, graphic design, and web design from a successful digital marketing. ये जो टेक्स्ट है, is this sounding very attractive? Is this sounding very intriguing? It's not, right? Learn digital marketing, which is good. It's like a call to action, or it's like a trigger there, like learn digital marketing. So people will scroll stop. It can be a scroll stopper. But are you able to hold it after that? You are kind of not, right? So while you write ads, when I talk about digital ads, right, copywriting becomes a very essential skill. Copywriting becomes a very essential skill in all of these ads. Like you talk about search engine ads. What a search engine ad? Let's see some examples. So we'll go to google.com and we will write something such as, let's say, data science services in Bangalore. For data science services, okay, I couldn't encounter any ad तो होंगे नीचे होंगे शायद. हाँ ये रहा. तो ads यहाँ पे आए देखो. Kendall Data Management, it's quite a known organization, unlock value from data and AI. Now see, this text that has been provided over here, and also if you write something else, let's say, so data science services, let's do software development. There must be some sponsored content, or just write software development services. Okay. So then digital marketing courses. Some more sponsored. ये सब है search ads. Something that I have written here. These are all search ads. Like at 100x, we have like 3 days of a search ad session. These are very complicated items, so it needs better training. These are search ads. Now to write the copy, right, in these search ads, one. Secondly, LinkedIn पे चलते हैं अभी. Now we'll go to LinkedIn. Any social media for that matter, not necessarily LinkedIn. You can even go to Instagram. अभी देखो, if you scroll past LinkedIn, see security talks. Make Google part of your security team. It looks like a very small text, right? But it needs a good skill to write. Okay, that people will stop and they will read. Join security talks on November 19th for a practical approach to effectively activating your cyber defenses. How do you write copywriting or even notifications? Like I work for one of my clients that I work for. I will show you some of the latest copywritings that I have done. Just allow me a minute. I'll just log into that. So we are doing a very new campaign. We have recently come up with a new feature, and I, as a marketer, I had to take care of all the launch and other events. So I'll show you how are we. तो उस पे क्या आता है, Zomato के notifications पढ़े हैं ना आप लोगों ने. I hope all of you have read Zomato notifications, how attractive they are. So you can use GPT to make them. Of course, you have to have that taste of writing, but you can use GPT. So let me show you some of them. I mean, not Zomato, some of them that I have written, and I have used GenAI to write them. Not like I have copy pasted from GenAI, but I have used GenAI, of course, to write them. I have used my own skill also. I have used GenAI also. So I'll first explain you what is this about. This is about ticketing. You know, Book My Show. बुक माई शो क्या करता है, टिकट्स बेचता है जो मूवीज के होते हैं, शोज के होते हैं वगैरह, जो काफी सारी चीजें के टिकट बेचते हैं वो कॉमेडी शोज के, इवेंट्स के, राइट. We are their competitor and we are quite known in the market. We are called a party and I work for them. They are my clients. So I'll just go write notification. So we also do notification marketing. So how do you write those copies and notifications? Let me show you. See, ticket marketing notification 2 days ago. This is something very recent. I can show you many old examples as well. Now see, there are many notifications I have written. See, breaking news. ये सब app जिनके पास है उनको direct notification जाएगा Zomato की तरह. Breaking news: Goa parties got too hot to miss. Book your tickets now. Warning: FOMO guaranteed. If you skip, book the tickets now. Click fast or regret later. The wildest events just dropped their tickets. Book your way in. VIPs only, please. Tickets won't wait. Book your spot now. Major vibes incoming. Got tickets? We still have. Book now. Seen the lineup? Only legends get tickets. Are you in? Then book now. Just to read maybe two more. Boom, 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 boom. It's like the bass of the music. Can you hear the bass? I think they are partying. Wanna join? Imagine this: music on, drink in hand, you are in. Sounds good. So we want people to tap onto them, and we get good responses out of these notifications, and they book tickets. Now, how do you write best for your ad copies, right? Your text marketing or notification marketing or even email marketing for that matter, where I'll come to a little later. To do that, you can use GPT. Now let's go on and see how do you do. So first of all, to use this platform, you need to let this platform know about what are you doing, right? I will just show you one example that this platform can memorize. See, I'll just ask, do you know who am I? Yeah, देखो. It knows everything about me. I mean, as much as I have like told this, and I want it to know. You know why is it able to tell? It's simple. ये रहा, क्योंकि इस पे मेरा logged in है मेरा. And I have been chatting with this since the beginning that I have that ChatGPT had come and I have been using it. So the first thing of this conversational AI model is इनको बताना कि आपको चाहिए क्या, आप हो कौन, and what is the output you are willing to get out of it. So let's do it. I'll give a prompt and we'll do it for 100x learners. And it also knows 100x learners, by the way. I have fed it completely what is, but I'll do it again in front of you guys. So uh, we are 100x, or rather is so well, act like a ad copywriter. And ad copywriter, I'll try to give it in a third bracket. See, these are not necessary actions. Yeah, it can be argumentative कि bracket से कुछ नहीं होता करके, but I feel it more powerful to stress on a certain word. So you can take a call whether to use it or not. So act like a ad copy writer. Now this is the first prompt. Now it will act like a ad copywriter, but it just converted what is said. So don't worry, it has still it will still be on the limbo. Now we are 100x learners. I will provide the website also. I'll see if it is able to scan the website and get to know more about it. So I'll copy the URL. Here is our website. We are a reputed institution. We are a reputed institution. Our major course is digital or advanced digital marketing training. Our course Trainers are students, UG/PG, working professionals, and even the younger crowd. Now, uh, we are creating an, और rather इस पे दो यूज केस करेंगे, एक प्लानिंग का यूज केस और एक एड 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 कॉपी राइटिंग का यूज केस. तो इस पे भी पहले मैं लिख देता हूं फॉर अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. दैट इज act like a professional, add copywriter and digital marketing strategist. Now scroll down. We are willing to create an awareness campaign. We are willing to create an awareness campaign around our brand 100x learners. Give us an effective plan, and there should be minimum 3 ads provide. अच्छा, पहले इसको give us an effective plan पे करते हैं, उसके बाद next करेंगे. So hit the prompt. Now, see, here is a strategic professional plan to build brand awareness for 100x learners and position it as a go-to institution for advanced digital marketing training. Now, objective. So, of course, any plan would have an objective. Elevate 100x learners brand awareness among UG/PG students. See, it has understood the target audience, right? Who is that we are serving to, we are catering to. Define brand voice. So define brand voice. What is your core message? यहाँ पे एक message लिखा हुआ है. See, I'll tell you guys something. Whatever GPT is providing you, even this is providing you, that is Designer as a platform, or Sora or InVideo is providing you, right? Cloud is providing you. It's not like कि आपको वही लेना है. Never think about that. It is a homework tool. Okay, always think it as a homework tool. It's not कि इसको जल्दी से copy करके paste कर देते हैं फिर. No, you don't do that. It's a homework tool. You do homework on this tool. You do practice on this tool. You figure out on this tool, right? You do your research on this tool. So this is a messaging. This is a positioning. See, your career in digital marketing starts with 100x learners. Learn from the best, lead the industry, and maximize your potential. Now, I like everything, but I don't like maximize your potential here. So I would rather say, what is this? Your career in digital marketing starts with 100x learners. I would also not say that. I would say, get started with advanced digital marketing, right? Learn from the best, learn from the best. I would write. I won't say lead the industry. I would say, uh, get started in the digital marketing industry and maximize, yeah, your potential. So you need to modify. It's not need to, but you will have to, because over the period of time you will not be able to copy paste. So let's go next. So it has given you, so what is it doing? It is doing that you need to find a voice. So यहाँ पे एक number पे you need to find a voice, and here is a reference of a voice: professional, empowering, approachable, future focused. I think professional, I like it. We are professional. Empowering, we are absolutely approachable. We are absolutely future focused, but I would also say we are affordable, right? We are kind of affordable. We are kind of available. We are more always trying to be available and and offering the best solutions through our mentors possible to our students. You need a core message, right? और ये रहा एक reference core message का in the planning. Audience segmentation, you need a audience segmentation, और ये रहे primary चाहिए उस पे, वो आपको लिखना है बाद में. Now I will further emphasize on this. Let's carry on for now. So platforms: Instagram, Facebook, for visually engaging content, etc. It has provided LinkedIn, YouTube, Google. content strategy, video teaser and testimonials, interactive campaigns, thought leadership on LinkedIn. Abhi dekho, let's say you like most of it, right? But you don't like all of it. So how do you carry on further? What I will do here is I'll say, I will, or rather prompting further, I will just pick up Instagram as a platform. यहाँ पे नीचे भी होगा नहीं, हाँ यहीं पे. So I will quickly select it. और यहाँ पे देखो, this icon I'll see. I would like to, I would like to emphasize on this first. Provide 5 ad ideas with the contents, or rather with the text contents. अभी देखो. Now you're carrying forward this discussion. See, here are 5 ad ideas with text content tailored for Instagram, Facebook, creating an engaging community around 100x learners. Ad idea, this is useful. Image of a diverse group of students and professionals in a virtual classroom with a digital marketing roadmap. Illustration overlaid. Headline, the future of marketing starts here. Body text. So this is what I was talking initially. Abhi dekho, how do you generate this entire ad? I will show you generating this entire ad. Abhi chale jayenge Canva pe. Canva pe, we have at 100x learners, we train you with pro accounts. But again, like you can also use a free account. That's not a bad. There are a couple of blockers, but it's quite efficient. So यहाँ पे what we'll do is we'll take help of Gen AI, then we'll go back and we'll write ad at Canva, ad, and यहाँ पे Facebook ad आ जाएगा, लेकिन best इसका engagement चाहिए Instagram पे, so write Instagram ad, Instagram ad. By the way, Canva पे आपको log in करना है, you need to log in, okay? So just make sure you have logged in. So just click on this, then इस पे click करो, just simply in the blank document, just click on the blank canvas. Then we have, what do we have in our hand? We have the headline, the future of marketing starts here. We have the body text, right? We have the call to action also, we have the hashtags also. इसका सपोज ये सब तो ठीक है, इसके साथ साथ एक कैप्शन चाहिए. कैप्शन कहां पे जाएगा? यहाँ पे. सो गो टू अगेन इंस्टाग्राम, लिंक्डइन, व्हाटएवर. सी ये वाला, और नीचे ये बॉडी और ये CTA, right? Same will happen with Instagram. But what do we not have here? We don't have a visual. इसके दो तरीके हैं बनाने के. Again, we'll use AI. We'll go to maybe designer. Designer पे बना सकते हैं, और we'll use Canva AI. So let me show you. So let's make this. So first of all, go for the visual. So image of a diverse group of students and professionals in a virtual classroom with a digital marketing roadmap, illustration overlaid. ये prompt है. So go back and try to, I think we need to go to designer for that. I mean, there is a Canva, not design, Magic Studio. So we'll do that, but let's figure out with this. So just go for images here. It may take a few seconds, guys. I'm just telling you prior. यहाँ पे देखो एक dummy prompt है. Just copy paste your prompt. Just generate. By the way, if you wish to select a size, you can. This size would do for us. Let's move on. It will ask you sign up. I have a couple of coins I can use, so we'll quickly sign up. I need to kind of okay. Let me go from my Edge. I have my credentials saved there. This is a designer. By the way, designer also has an editor. Like, maybe we'll talk about it someday later. Can you see the coins? See, it has coins. Okay. So you would exhaust coins, by the way, I'm telling you, because you, so I'll go to the home. You will exhaust coins because आप जितने images generate करोगे, coins exhaust होते जाएंगे. So let's go to images, drop the prompt, click on generate. See, the sizing is same. So 15 coins I have. Now it will give you a couple of options. It's not one option. It will give you a couple of options. See, it's quite dynamic. Where I'm putting the cursor, it's kind of giving the impression there. These are some of the images I had created earlier. If you want to see the prompt, you can just hover over. जैसे ये वाला जो बनाया था, see, this image is created. See, digital marketing roadmap on a virtual classroom, right? So I think we will use Canva, right? And we will already have a text overlay. तो मुझे text वाले नहीं चाहिए. I would rather use this one. Now, I would not talk about it much, but you can edit it further. Oh, kabhi, in the classes we can do, if you are like kind of tuning into 100x, we can do there. So I'll quickly copy this image. So ये Gen AI का बनाया हुआ image. I'll go back and I will go to Canva. Now, why is this image good and why is this image bad? Of course, there is a pro, there is a con. Let me explain. First thing is this image is good because even if you don't have a Canva Pro, right? You don't need to. If you don't have a Canva Pro, you have many options to get images, right? How many? One, two, three, four. Otherwise, if you didn't have a Canva Pro, right? आपको जितने भी images है, so how do you find images at Canva? You go to elements. Let me close this dash and write classroom. Now यहाँ पे आपको सब दिखेंगे अवेलेबल क्योंकि हम लोगों का पेड अकाउंट है. सॉरी, और बाय द वे ये भी दिख जाएगा आपको. सी, ये एक साइन है एडुकेशन का. दैट मींस मेजॉरिटी और ऑल द अकाउंट्स दीज आर पेड. ओके, आई विल फिल्टर टू फोटोज. ये सब पेड होगा, ये फ्री होगा, ये फ्री है. बट इज इट गुड लुकिंग? इट्स नॉट गुड लुकिंग, राइट? इट लुकिंग बैड. Also, can you get that exact way, like image of a diverse group of students, professionals sitting in a room? You can't. First. Secondly, आप बोलोगे ठीक है Canva नहीं है, I'll download it from Google. You can't use Google images. There would be copyright. Many of the images would be copyrighted. Second, third thing, you would say I will use Shutterstock and all. Yes, Shutterstock and all, you will get images, but it is not at all free. These are all paid. आपको फिर यहाँ पे खरीदना होगा. आप एक दो इमेज भी खरीद सकते हो, but you have to eventually buy. Whereas with these sort of Gen AIs, you can just generate your image. Now let's just drop it over here, kind of fill it up. Okay. And then I'll introduce an overlay to it. So this is my image. I'll introduce an overlay. I'll go to elements again, go to all and remove classroom filter. Then I'll just get an overlay. I'll make this overlay black. Click on this overlay element, black. Now I'll just spread it across Canva. Canva using is very easy. We'll make it transparent. We train on Canva if in case you are interested. And I'll just dim down the transparency of this. And here I will use some very good looking fonts and I have the content anyways. So the future of marketing starts here, right? Copy this, go back to elements and or text rather, and figure out the text you want to put. Yeah, this one. देखो ये इसको यहाँ पे रखेंगे and we'll put the future of marketing is here. The future, or rather future of marketing is here. Of marketing is here. Of marketing is, now it is being a bit, नहीं इस पे sign है तो इसको रहने देते हैं. It's being a bit too large, so we'll cut down the size. So we'll just select it and it's like MS Word using, so we'll just decrease the size. Yes, this much is I need. I want people to put attention on future. अभी एक चीज नोटिस कीजिए, there is an overlap. So right click and ungroup this. Just little beneath. So now I will just go back. I have another content, gain real world digital marketing skills with 100x learners. I will take this much and for this I will create another caption for this ad जो कि डेडिकेटेडली जाएगा टेक्स्ट के साथ, जो कि पोस्टिंग टेक्स्ट है इन सोशल मीडिया कैप्शन. now put it and select a font that 100x learner, we at 100x learner use, because these has to be brand specific. As good as 50 would be good. And it can be white and bold. All right. So gain real world digital marketing skills with 100x learners. And I would need to use a call to action. But here I need to change the color. Maybe I'll do it for red because that would kind of work in this. So, and here I'll introduce a bit of a, we'll go to effects and a bit of a background so that it's visible. All right. Marketing is here. Gain real world digital marketing experience with skills. Now, just we need a button. So go back to elements and type button. Let's pick this. And I'll say no more. All right. Now we need to group this because this is something we need to adjust. And for a better visibility, I would just, what I'll do is I will double click. I'll adjust the image a bit more. Yeah, I wanted to give the keep this students beneath, okay, little below of the text so that people can read and see their faces. All right, now this one I'll keep somewhere here or here to make it feel like clickable. Anyway, they if they click, they will navigate to the ad. Let's say we'll have a landing page, and I'll also create the strategy of the landing page. So this is the ad, and I'll copy the ad. By the way, I can also keep it as join the revolution. So let's write join the revolution. Copy it and join the revolution. We'll quickly ungroup it and increase this size a bit. Yeah. Now, what we need is we need a landing page for this, right? Gain real world digital marketing experience and all of that. First, I'll get the caption created. So I'll select this and I'll write create the social media caption for this ad and hashtags. It will create the caption. See, ready to launch your digital marketing career. The future of marketing starts here. With 100x learners, our advanced digital marketing trainers gives you the skills. We would need a bit of a fine tuning for sure, but more or less, it gives you the frame. It gives you the skeleton. Next is we need a landing page for this, right? So I will write, I need a landing page for this ad. What should be there in the landing page? Let's have the landing page content outline. First we'll do the outline, then we'll write the content. अभी देखो इसके लिए जो लैंडिंग पेज होगा ना उसका भी कंटेंट का पूरा आउटलाइन, जैसे हेडलाइन आ गया ओके हीरो शॉट पे, हीरो सेक्शन या तो हीरो शॉट, हेडलाइन, सब हेडिंग, कॉल टू एक्शन, विजुअल तक यहाँ पे आ जाओ. सो अगेन यू कैन क्रिएट दिस विजुअल. Then key value proposition, why choose, yeah, this is a good for awareness, this is a good value proposition. Then bullet points, then course highlights, success stories and testimonials, how it works, course format and certification, limited time offer, FAQs, final CTA and footer. Brilliant, right? Like you know the entire landing page content now. Yeah, of course some of the contents you can't create, like success stories, yeah, students saying, we you can't copy paste it. How it works, yeah, your opinion would matter here. I mean, your planning matters. Course also you can't create. It would be, you will give this limited time offer, you can take ideas. Now you just need to prompt. Let's take one, let's do one. So isko select karo and write or generate the content. Now we'll hold a bit and I'll show you one more thing here. You remember I told you about SEO, right? What SEOs do. So when we work on SEOs, right, our primary objective is to grow traffic on our website. Like I'm right now working on this blog. Okay, it's been 3 months and I have been able to, 3 to 4 months kind of, and I have been able to start getting started traffic on this. मैंने already इस blog पे अभी traffic आ रहा है, okay, और मैंने यहाँ पे further feeds दिए हैं यहाँ पे. It's an entertainment and a party related blog. It's not my blog, it's my client's blog. So but it's everything, like creation to everything is with me. I do it. So इस पे it already traffic has started coming, right? And I am not copy pasting GPT content, of course, but I have taken, of course, help as an SEO from GPT. I have been doing SEO for quite a long time, but today also with GPT, I have taken a couple of suggestions and helps on not a SEO suggestions, but writing done, like a bot job that is required to be done. That I have gotten it done from GPT. और अभी इस पे मैं आपको ट्रैफिक दिखाता हूँ इसका. अभी बहुत ही हाल ही है ये, इस पे ट्रैफिक आना स्टार्ट हो गया. I'll show you. So I handle many websites and many. So I handle many websites. I develop a lot of them. That blog also is by me, and there are many other corporate sites also. 1 minute, guys. I didn't know that I would need to re-log in. So let's go to that property. Yeah, we're talking. इस पे तो I have given more traffic, जो कि home site है. There I have a ton of traffic. Ton of मतलब thousands पे है काफी सारे. See, it's a latest report. ये बहुत it is fresh, huh? Just don't compare it with millions of traffic. It's a very fresh site. It's not an old site, or it's. By the way, it's all organic. Huh? We have not spent a single penny running ads. So I have been able to get a kind of average impression more than 17,000, and also like okay number of clicks on this. 6 months का देखेंगे तो और थोड़ा ज्यादा आएगा, but it's kind of that amount of a range of a website. See, so we have already gotten started traffic on this, right? So what you need to do as SEO, now I'll show you some examples with GPT is. So I'll say generate content, but hold on, for 100x learners what is the keyword that we would need to work, or for your brand, right? जैसे अगर 100x learners example नहीं लेंगे, so let's take example of let's take example of let's say this company, that is Paytm, right? अभी Paytm नहीं, Paytm app driven है, नहीं, this is this driven, right? This is a dynamic, this is a web app. So इनका क्या है, majorly booking है, right? Train, flights, और by the way if you don't know, जो movie tickets और flight और bus के जो share है ना, market share, Paytm has a huge share, okay? So इनका बहुत chunk of revenue यहाँ से आता है. So क्या होगा, keywords क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Keywords होंगे flight tickets booking online, right? Booking flight tickets, online flight tickets, flight tickets online for Hyderabad, flight tickets online for Vijayawada, flight tickets online for Bhopal, train tickets online, IRCTC alternative, ये सब होगा ना. So let's go back to GPT again. हम लोग पेटीएम के लिए ये नहीं करेंगे. We'll do it for 100x. And हम लोगों का कीवर्ड क्या होगा? Primary keyword would be, of course, brand keyword 100x. Okay, sorry. So make sure to use keywords in the content. Is that keywords? Now I will provide the keywords. 100x learners, digital marketing training. 100x learners, digital marketing training, digital marketing training, 100x learners, hands-on course. By the way, there is a way to do keyword research. I will not get into that depth right now because we are on GenAI course. अगर आप लोग join करते हैं, there is a 3 days of a SEO class. 3 days as in 6 to 7 hours of an SEO class, or I would say 5 to 7 hours of an SEO class. So you would be learning SEO on that. So then we can do. So digital marketing hands-on, best, best nahi. Top digital marketing course, best, because best is quite an outdated term now. Uh, um, Digital marketing course, yeah, digital marketing courses. No, let's keep it to this for now. 100x learners, advanced digital marketing training, digital marketing course. I will mention keep to use these keywords. Sorry. In the now here titles, subheading, because that's an SEO rule. Huh? I will not explain it right now. Maybe in the SEO, not in the SEO class, we'll do body क्योंकि अभी SEO नहीं है. So to use keywords in the title body, effectively make it minimum, make it around 500 word content. Now, what is the prompt here? Generate the content, right? But make sure to use keywords like these. Abhi aap bologe why to use keywords? Because see our page or any page for that matter. So I'd say 100x learners and the pages that we have, right? Or anyone, I will do a Google search and I'll show you. So we need to use SEO or else our pages will not be prominent. You would say, why not prominent? It won't be prominent because of a couple of reasons. First reason is Google will not recognize them. Second reason is will not rank in the search engine. Third reason is will not get traffic. Fourth reason is even if we want to run ads, we may have a quality score problem. For an example, you go and write cars online under 5 lakhs. So it's a keyword, right? And you get to see ये तो snippet है. This is a Google modified snippet, but scroll down. And here are the leading platforms. Or not platforms here. Here are the leading websites. They are a best SEO website. देखो best cars under 5 lakhs. इन लोगों ने keywords को use किया है. I will just show you an example. I will do a control F and the control F would be cars under 5 lakh. देखो how many times they have used? 22 times. Okay, by the way, it is don't you should not overdo it. They have not overdone क्योंकि उनका content बहुत heavy है. But you should use it. So go back and just hit the prompt. So why choose 100x learners for advanced digital marketing training? अभी देखो ये पूरा content ready कर रहा है ये. See? Great, right? Yeah, of course, you will not like it 100%. You may like it 30%. You may like it 70% also. You would 100% not like it 100%. I can bet you that. But it's a good skeleton. It's a good skeleton. आप इसको as a skeleton इसको modify कर सकते हो. So you may not be liking in today's fast paced. ये शायद आपको पसंद नहीं आएगा. आप कुछ और लिखोगे. Now I'll give you an example. You would say, I don't like it. I hate this. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, kind of a word. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll select it in today's fast-paced. I'll say replace this. See, in a world driven by digital innovation, sounds way better. ये बहुत जेनेरिक है इन टूडेज करके, बट ये बेटर है. सी बस उतना ही it has provided you a replaced version. So what are the use cases as of yet? You saw one is ideas generation, right? So I will just scroll up. So one is idea generation, right? Another one is writing as a case. Another one is SEO as a case. Another one is social media ad idea and prompt writing. Prompt writing. It wrote the prompt for the image. So आप अगर designer use करते हो, even you can write your prompts with GPT, right? You can write your prompts with GPT. So these are the cases, and content writing, blog writing, basically you saw. Now I'll give you one lengthy example of email marketing. So I don't know, like you people are probably freshers or you have some sort of experience into digital. I don't know, but I am sure that you have surely kind of experienced digital marketing, email marketing campaigns, right? तो ये अगर आप देखोगे ईमेल मार्केटिंग कैंपेन्स पे बिगेस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस लाइक स्टारबक्स एंड व्हाट नॉट एसबीआई इंडिगो स्टारबक्स आई मीन बिगेस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कॉर्पोरेट्स दे हैव दिस ईमेल मार्केटिंग राइट वो लोग ईमेल मार्केटिंग करते हैं वी एट 100 लर्नर्स वी आल्सो डू ईमेल मार्केटिंग राइट नेटफ्लिक्स would do email marketing I mean who not oh Squid Game is there already is it okay guys that's an announcement besides our Gen AI, you can also now know Squeeze Game is there. Okay. Acha, acha, isko rewatch kar. It's coming, so I don't know when is it coming. So Starbucks is doing right, and Mailchimp is a big corporate. See, IIT Kharagpur. So they are doing email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for inbound leads, outbound leads, both. Okay, both of it you can generate with email marketing. Now, for 100x learners, if we want to do an email marketing, right, for awareness, I'm not talking about lead generation or sales or something, just for awareness, I can get a complete planning written out of it. I'll just do it. So write or I want to do email marketing, for this awareness, of our brand and its course, and our course, IADMM. Okay. What would be the plan? Now, wait. ये बहुत basic है. Plan, like I do email marketing. I primarily use Brevo and HubSpot. Uh, I primarily do Hubs and Brevo, but I have many tools I have hands-on. लेकिन ये बहुत basic. I'll tell you why. Email marketing happens on sequences. Sequences as in, let's say today, I'll just give you a simple example. What is this Substack? So let's see something which is not a use holiday code. Mm, yes. So this is a webinar, right, from MailChimp. Transform your approach, 4 pillars to help drive revenue. Okay, through MailChimp, of course. अब मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ यहाँ पे. सी मेलचिम्प ने क्या किया? मेलचिम्प ने क्या किया? एक वर्कफ्लो बनता है, सीक्वेंसिंग भी कहते हैं, वर्कफ्लो कहते हैं, इसको डेवलप करना पड़ता है, बट विल टॉक, I mean, we'll try to talk as simple as possible. What MailChimp did, they did the first email on webinar. Next email भी जाने वाला है. They are not going to stop, right? Unless you block them. You can block them and all, that's a different thing. We also face blocks, we face spams and all. That's normal. That's a parts and parcel of the game. But unless they block, ये फिर से भेजेंगे. अभी जो next email that they will send, right? This next email, who would they send? They would send to 2 people, of course. Block and spam they won't be able to send. Who would they send? Spam को जाएगा लेकिन spam पे जाएगा. They know that. I filter it out. But anyways, who would they send? They would send people who have opened it and who have not opened it. Correct? Now, let's say you want this flow. इसको कहते हैं sequence भी कहते हैं, इसको workflow भी कहते हैं, काफी सारी. So ये जो है आप इसको और पावरफुल बनाना चाहते हो, यू वांट टू मेक इट मोर पावरफुल, राइट? इन दैट केस you would need to create a workflow, and that workflow should loop in the next email. जिन लोगों ने ये email open किया था, people who had opened this email, you would send the next email to these people who had opened. You can also send it to not open, but you will send to open, क्योंकि lead nurturing होता है. Your nurturing would be better. How can you do that? You do that with that tool that is HubSpot or Brevo or whatever you are using. But you need a strategy for that. You need a planning for that. So what we'll do, you will use GenAI to write that planning. See, I would not write what would be the plan. Rather, I would write, I need a 3 months, 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 3 months. Yeah, okay, 1 quarter. Let's say 3 months of workflow over 3 months of workflow, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 12 weeks, 12 weeks, 12, 36 over 32, 30, 30, over 30 to 40 emails. These are for awareness and lead, not lead nurturing or nurturing, to know, to recognize our brand better, or recognize our brand, recognize our brand, recognize our brand, recognize our brand. What should, or what would be the workflow and sequence mail after the one after the other with dedicated intervals. Abhi dekho, this is going to be not very complicated, but still a bit complicated task for GPT, which it will do. So let's hit the prompt. Now, creating an effective email marketing workflow over 3 months is an excellent approach and nurture potential leads. So yeah, advanced digital marketing training, of course, for 12 weeks email. 12 week का मतलब होता है 1 quarter. Sequence of 30 to 40. अभी देखो 3 months, ये पूरा sketch यहाँ पे है. Week 1 to 2 initial awareness. ये एक चीज यहाँ पे मिसिंग, हाँ मिसिंग नहीं है. देखो डे 1 के बाद डे 2 पे देर इज नो ईमेल, राइट? डे 3 email. Day से there is an interval. So day 1 welcome email. Day 2 what makes 100x learners unique. Day 3 course overview. Day 4 digital marketing career growth. Day 10 how the course works. Sorry. Day 3 to, sorry, week 3 to 4 fits the sequence, fits the sequence. This way it has given the entire sequencing. I will show you something even more interesting. Now, depending on that, I'll just show you one example. You know the drill then. Isko tap karo and just target it and write, all right, generate the email. Now see, it will generate the email for you. I mean, of course, ऐसा नहीं कि आपको you will tomorrow morning wake up और इसको copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Yeah, I didn't mean that. I am never telling it's a copy paste tool. I am 100% telling it's a homework tool. It's a research tool. It's a framework creation tool. It's more like you are getting comfortable with what you are doing and figuring out better things. ये नहीं कि अच्छा ये लिख दिया तो इसको कॉपी करके चलो अभी मेल भेज देता है. ये यू कैन फॉल ऑन योर फेस. लोग ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं कि बहुत ही स्क्रैप, sometimes it goes haywire. सुनने में एकदम बेकार लग सकता है the email. So what you need to do, you need to read, right? You need to spend time, you need to read, you need to prompt further. Like, okay, everything is good, but I didn't like this part, I want it this way. Abhi, what is that this? You need to explain it to GPT. The more you warm it up, see, these are conversational AI, right? The more you warm it up, the more it will know. You want me to show you an example? I'll show you it. एक वो जो नोटिफिकेशन वाला आपने देखा, उसको बनाने में मैंने काफी सारी चीजें फाइनली खुद लिखे हैं क्योंकि मुझे फिर भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. लेकिन देखो इसको बनाने में मैंने कितने सारे प्रॉम्प्ट्स यूज किए हैं जस्ट टू गेट इट राइट, एंड कॉन्स्टेंटली आई हैव बीन गिविंग एग्जांपल्स. सी, दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड आई एम लुकिंग इनटू. ये मैंने खुद लिखा था ये सब, फिर मैंने स्टैंडर्ड भेजा है. देन अगेन आई हैव गिवन माय टेस्ट. last May, I have written another one, example one I have given. So you need to warm it up a lot. Okay, you cannot just think I'll just copy paste and run with it. It won't. It would be very shady. That's all. Okay, so act like a professional, but yeah, it's interesting. It's efficient also. See, ये मेल बन गया अभी. Of course, आपको इसको hubs पे जाके या ConvertKit पे जाके you need to copy paste and you need to modify and all of that you need to do. Now I will ask uh, what is the open rate I should. It is going to be a bit not so gray. It's going to be a bit a bit vague, but still I should expect. It will give you kind of a scratch. On an average, open rates आ जाते हैं B2C emails पे, but देखते हैं. So average open rate 18. It's a bit more, but yeah. So it's actually high. So I won't rely on this, but it's good. If you get 25%, it's really good actually. So yeah, so it has something to say. And yeah, see, these are some factors. This is good. This one is really good. Factors influencing. Why am I saying it's good? See, I constantly do this. मैं बहुत सारे email campaigns करता हूँ और मैं आपको एकदम लेटेस्ट दिखाता हूँ जो फ्राइडे को मैंने क्लोज किया, मतलब ऑटोमेशन पे लूप इन किया. देखो मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली सब्जेक्ट लाइंस को यहाँ पे मॉडिफाई कर रहा हूँ फार्दर. सी, did I copy paste any of them? No, I have copied, yeah, copied a part of it, then I have modified further. See, these are all about subject lines. And when did I do it? It's on last Friday. This Friday, I mean, that went past. So it is a tool of your homework, right? Okay, now what else I was talking about? I was talking about brochures and graphics such as Upwork if you are working as a self-employed person or something. Or you are a blogger then, or you are a vlogger. Let's take the vlogging example first. So you have a YouTube channel, right? You know that your entire YouTube channel strategy you can get it done with a GPT. So we'll just go and write. Yeah, it's a new chat. We'll write uh, write. So let's say you are a what sort of a channel? Uh, you are a channel of gadget review. I have a gadget, but again, please feed this well. Okay, कि आपका क्या चैनल है, क्या करते क्या हो आप, उसका मैसेजिंग क्या है. The more you spend time, the better it can help you. So I have a gadget review channel in YouTube. Give me gadget पे लिख दो what sort of gadget. Gadgets like smartphone. Give me 5 video ideas. See, top 5 budget smartphones under. Now, how do you validate? Is this a great idea or not? Actually, these are good ideas. Let me cross check this. So we'll go to href. And href is a research source. It's not a generative or something. href पे जाके keyword explorer. So ये paid है. Wait, href YouTube. Yeah, this one. I hope it will work. कभी कभी बंद रहता है. Free है तो it's a bit they are a bit dicey on this. ये बंद है क्या? हाँ, ये अभी under maintenance है. This is a challenge. Okay, so go to YouTube itself. Now on YouTube, what is the first idea? Top 5 budget smartphones. इसको copy कर दो. Don't copy the entire one. Just write top 5. बस top 5 लिखो. Now top 5 पे क्या क्या आ रहा है यहाँ पे? There are a couple of things, right? Now hold on. Budget लिखो. See, the first one you have got it right. These are good ideas. I have actually tried it out many times, and I have been like, I am myself is fascinated. I'm satisfied with its YouTube thing. ये बहुत मतलब बहुत सही देता है YouTube content के लिए idea. बहुत ही सही देता है. Okay, so this is the exact one that people are looking at. Now you would say why is you are telling it's best? क्योंकि people are searching for it. These are highest searched. टॉप 5 बजट स्मार्टफोन्स, कार्स, ये सब लोग इसीलिए यूट्यूब रेकमेंड कर रहा है. एंड या सी द व्यूज आर रियली एक्सलेंट, राइट? Crazy views. But yeah, you would counter argue that they have a huge follower, of course, but they are getting views because people are interested. Now the next thing is to use AI is you select this one. Now let's pick a phone. Uh, so Vivo, Vivo under 20K. So let's pick a name of the phone because otherwise ChatGPT would be clueless. Vivo T3 5G. Okay, Vivo T3 5G नया phone है क्या? I don't know. So Vivo 335 5G, let's say. So uh, highlight this. I am reviewing. Okay, I am reviewing Vivo T3 5G. Okay, reviewing for T3 5G. Write me the 10 minutes script. Go ahead. Now see, the entire script is ready. ये 30 seconds तक camera on you holding the Vivo T3 5G box. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are on the lookout for a budget-friendly 5G smartphone, the Vivo T3 5G might be on your radar. See, पूरा ready है, design and build quality. But yeah, of course आपको modify करना पड़ेगा. I mean, you cannot chapboard it, but yeah, you know the drill. Show a side profile and all. So it's quite, so yeah, it's coming fully, right? Now you wanna see, अच्छा 5G connectivity, okay, 10 minutes का पूरा video, see 10 minutes का पूरा video ready, it stops at 10 minutes. Last में conclusion आता है. To sum it up all, the Vivo T3 5G is a great option in the budget segment. You get a solid display, decent performance, and a good camera setup. So you now know how do YouTubers write pictures. But yeah, they of course 100% they do a whole lot of hard work to modify and do put their own. But yeah, you can get a homework done on this. Now let's explore something. By the way, there are n number of case studies. I'll show you our folder 100x learners. Uh, okay, this was ready, right? I forgot downloading it. So just go to this and here is a download option. You can easily just download it. Okay, now I would show you our folder at 100x learners. So this is our folder that all we provided to all our students. And I will show you some of the good GenAI learning guides. I have not created these. These are available on the internet, by the way. So these are some of the very good guides that you can also, but you have to find it out. I have it ready with me. So these are great guides. Like there are, it's when I say guide, these are about cases, use cases. Let me do something. Let me share this book with you. It's free. I have not created this book, just FYI. I have sourced it. So I'll just share this book with all of you for your comfort. So if at all you are interested, you can see all the use cases. यहाँ पे काफी सारे बहुत ही सही यूज केस है जैसे हम लोगों ने किया वी डिड ऑल ऑफ दिस राइट मोस्ट ऑफ दिस राइट नाउ राइटिंग क्रिएटिविटी एकेडमिक लाइफ spreadsheet foreign language content creation programming data science yeah that's all let me share it with you guys स्क्रीन बड़ी कीजिए बहुत ज्यादा छोटे ऐसा है क्या आर यू ऑन दिस थिंग आर यू ऑन योर क्या कहते हैं मोबाइल अगर सर जी आप मोबाइल पे हो सॉरी प्रतीक्षा अगर आप मोबाइल पे हो तो आई एम सॉरी बट अगर आप डेस्कटॉप पे हो तब तो मेरा आई हैव अ लार्जर स्क्रीन आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द इशू okay so we'll go back to our 100x learner drive yeah so yeah the point is we have a drive and yeah and many of these contents we have created in this drive many of these contents and yeah we also have videos available for our students yeah we'll go back to in video now the last case here and then I have so where is in video let's go to in video अभी एक कन्वर्ट करेंगे वीडियो जनरेट करेंगे एक allow me a minute huh? I'll just log in All right. See, what is this asking? In video V 2.0, right? Give a topic or language and generate a video. तो इसको करते हैं, इसको करके देखें और एक यूज केस देखेंगे। तो ये वाला करते हैं, थोड़ा छोटा करते हैं क्योंकि ज्यादा करेंगे तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा एक्चुअली। सो क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं? सॉरी, आई डोंट हैव समथिंग रेडी, आई मस्ट हैव गॉटन समथिंग रेडी। तो एक प्रॉम्प्ट बनाते हैं इस पे। क्रिएट अ प्रॉम्प्ट for text to video, 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 where it is explaining, it is explaining, it is explaining what to consider while doing car servicing. Now let's create the prompt. एंड हियर वी गो। अभी इसको क्या करेंगे, कॉपी करेंगे प्रॉम्प्ट को। wait a bit. So no, let's select a part. So let's say these two, these three, just as an example. Explain the prompt as I am going to use it for text to video. By the way, understand that many a times GPT may not understand what you are talking. Okay, तो ये दिमाग में रखना, जीपीटी को शायद समझ में ही ना आता हो कि आप बोल क्या रहे हो, तो आपको बार बार वो करना है। सो डोंट लूज योर पेशेंस। सो इसको कॉपी करेंगे। लेट्स सी व्हाट इन वीडियो डज। द लिमिट इज वेरी बिग बाय द वे। generate the video. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, it will not be immediate. Let's go back to ChatGPT and I will show you something again very interesting. So ये जो let's pick something like this one. ये जो पूरा script है, it is English, right? But if your channel is Hindi or your channel is Telugu, what do? You need a Telugu script. Copy this, or you need a Hindi script. Any of this, and just say. So it can do translation. My channel is in Hindi, converted to or translated to a Hindi script. See, it will translate it to Hindi. Here देखो. Okay. Yeah, many use cases actually. Many use cases and efficient use cases. Like not like कि कुछ भी shallow use case है. काफी सही use cases है. If you liked it, click on continue generating, and it will start generating again. वही से. It's done. Okay, so you can translate also. Okay, now the last use case. So just filter audience clean. Yeah, so let's continue for YouTube. It's waiting now. It will take a few minutes, guys, so be patient. By the way, वो जो music and voices था, वो सब ये लोग add करते हैं. The only challenge is if you are not in paid, see remove watermark. तो watermark रहेगा. If you are in paid, yeah, then you won't get watermark. All right, so do you guys have any questions or anything you would like to kind of ask? Your voices. Yeah, I had some network issues back then. I'm sorry. Any questions do you guys have like about ChatGPT, about our courses or something. Still loading. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, it loads. I will share two polls. I'll just stop the share. I'll reshare again. So I'll just share two polls with you people. Um, I want you to take up the poll, right? So it would be kind of uh, uh, you can let us know. Like one is if you people are interested to join our upcoming batch, that is our upcoming digital marketing batch. If you want to join, so just take the poll. If you are interested, you would say yes. If not, say no. That's all cool. And next is I would also like to know if you would like to have a callback. Okay, I see some yes. Thanks. Okay, I have few people interested. I have two people not interested, which is absolutely fine. Guys, please answer. I think not everyone has answered. Please take up the poll. You can either pick yes or pick no. Guys, please take up this poll. Uh, you can either pick yes or pick no. Just take up the poll. Boom, we have the video ready. Just take out the poll, guys. I see still many of you have not taken. All right, so I'll share another poll if at all you are interested to get a call back. I think I have 4 or 5 people who are interested to join. So you are you people also interested to get a call back? Let me know. Everyone, please take up the poll. All right, I'll reshare my screen and I'll go to the video. Guys, please take up the poll. That would help us. All right, now going back to the in video and see the video is ready. I'll just full screen it and I'll play. I don't know if it is. You are audio is there. See, we didn't provide any videos, right? But it still took all the videos from available on the internet, right? All right, so these are the Gen AI efficiencies or rather capabilities, guys. Uh, Thanks a lot for joining the session. I just stopped sharing the screen, and I would like you people to take up the poll. More people. I see only few people have taken up the poll. So I'll give you 1 more minute, and yeah, then I think we are done. We are good, and I would like to wind up. So thanks a lot, everyone, and thanks a lot for joining. And yeah, you have a great day. See you people in the upcoming session. So